tired of shelling out cash for ads with like 0 results.
Yeah.
Me too. So today we're ditching the paid game and digging into something way more interesting.
Okay.
Free website traffic.
I like the sound of that.
Right. Who doesn't love free? We're diving deep into this YouTube video that caught my eye. 773 million visitors. 6 free website traffic sources by Software King.
773 million.
You heard that right. 773 million potential visitors. I mean, that number alone should have your attention.
It definitely have mine.
Yeah.
And honestly, what I appreciate about this video is that it really pushes us to think outside the box. Encourages us to get creative with platforms we might not normally consider for website promotion.
Totally, like SlideShare.
SlideShare.
I know, right? I always think boring presentations, not exactly traffic magnets, but get the video gives this example of Search Engine Journal. So that's a pretty big name in the SEO world.
Yeah.
They used SlideShare for just one presentation and raked in 160,000 views.
Wow.
And those views, they turned into website traffic.
See, that's the thing. People often go to SlideShare looking for very specific information.
Right.
Right? And so by packaging their expertise in this really easy to digest format, Search Engine Journal basically positioned themselves as the go-to resource.
It's brilliant.
Plus, they were smart about it. They embedded links directly within those slides, so it was super easy for people to click through to their site.
Oh, that's so smart. Meeting your audience where they already are and making it like ridiculously easy for them to find out more.
Exactly.
That's actionable intel right there. I love it.
And it really highlights the power of repurposing content. You've already invested the time and energy into creating that presentation, so why not wring even more value out of it?
Seriously. Okay. Next up, Discord. This one kind of threw me for a loop.
Really?
583 million visitors every single month.
That's a lot.
It's mind-blowing, but I always think, like, gaming communities, I don't necessarily think of it as a place to, sell handmade jewelry.
And that's precisely why this strategy is so clever.
Yeah.
Discord has absolutely exploded in popularity.
Yeah.
It's not just for gamers anymore.
Really?
Niche communities are popping up everywhere. The real takeaway here is the emphasis on building genuine relationships. It's not about just barging in and spamming your links. That's a surefire way to get yourself blocked.
It's like showing up to a party and, like, shoving a business card in everyone's face.
Exactly. It's about becoming a valued member of that community.
Okay.
Engaging authentically.
Yeah.
Providing valuable insights.
Yeah.
Building trust.
Yeah.
Then and only then, you introduce your website as a way to learn more or connect further.
So it's more of a slow burn, but with potentially a huge payoff.
Precisely. Now, for those looking for a platform that's specifically designed for content creation, the video dives into HubPages.
HubPages? What is that?
This one might be a little under the radar for some, but it's a powerhouse for driving traffic.
Okay.
Think of it like a giant online network for writers and bloggers.
Oh, interesting. So like a bustling marketplace for knowledge and ideas.
Exactly. And what's fascinating is their approach to content creation. They actually encourage users to analyze what's already working.
Yeah.
The articles that are racking up views and engagement, and use that as a blueprint.
So it's like learning from the best and then putting your own, like your unique spin on it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the video goes even further, offering super specific tips for optimizing your HubPages content. Things like hitting that sweet spot for word count somewhere between 700 and 1,200 words seems to resonate with readers, and even formatting your images to really grab attention.
Oh, wow. They're giving you the blueprint.
They're giving you the blueprint.
I like it.
And let's not forget the power of the network itself. So they actually encourage you to connect with other creators, share your work, and you can potentially get featured on other relevant niche websites.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's about leveraging the power of community and cross-promotion. So instead of shouting into the void, you're tapping into this existing audience of engaged readers. Now, if you're up for a little bit more of a challenge, the video also tackles 2 giants.
Oh.
Mashable and BuzzFeed. Yeah, those are some big hitters right there.
They're in a whole different league. We're talking millions and millions of daily visitors. I mean, BuzzFeed community alone has something like 90 million a month.
Yeah, it's huge.
So we know these platforms are huge EE. But with great size comes even greater competition.
Right.
So how do you even begin to stand out in this sea of listicles and viral videos?
Yeah, that's the million-dollar question. And the video really drives home the importance of differentiation. It's not enough to just hop on a trending topic. You need to be offering a fresh perspective, like a unique angle, or maybe a really compelling story that really grabs people.
It's like finding your niche, but like within the niche, right?
Exactly.
So if everybody and their brother is writing about the latest tech gadgets, maybe you zoom in on, I don't know, maybe sustainable tech or gadgets for pet owners.
Precisely. It's about understanding the nuances of your audience and giving them content that really speaks to their interests and values.
Yeah. The video also talked about checking out the leaderboard, which I thought was really interesting because it's almost like peeking into the minds of your audience and seeing like, okay, what's already working.
Exactly. Data can be your secret weapon.
Yeah.
So by looking at what's popular, you can figure out the patterns. Yeah, what headlines are grabbing people's attention, what formats are getting the most engagement. It's all right there.
Oh, I love that. Working smarter, not harder.
Right, exactly.
Okay, so then there's Mashable.
Yeah.
That one is a whole other beast. They cover everything.
They really do. And getting featured on Mashable can feel like a pipe dream, but the video actually offers some pretty interesting strategies. One expert they interviewed suggested focusing on really high-quality infographics.
Really? Infographics?
Yeah.
I never would have thought of that, but it makes sense. But...
They're eye-catching, easy to understand, super shareable.
Yeah, they really are.
Like, they check all the boxes. Mashable wants content that's informative, engaging, and something people want to share.
Yeah.
And a well-made infographic.
Yeah.
That totally fits the bill.
Absolutely. Plus, Mashable is really all about showcasing expertise. And the video really emphasized building up your reputation before you even think about pitching them.
Yeah. You can't underestimate credibility.
Yeah.
Right? Establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Get yourself out there online.
Yeah.
Let that expertise shine through in everything you do.
Okay, I love that.
And then when you're ready to actually make that move, forget the quick tweet or the DM, this video actually recommends, like old school, send an email.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
In our crazy digital world.
I know, right? But a well-written email can cut through all the noise, and it just shows a level of professionalism, right? People notice that.
It's like showing up to a meeting in a full suit instead of like your sweatpants.
Exactly. It shows that you're serious, that you're prepared, and that you're ready to bring some real value to the table.
Okay. So we have covered a ton of ground here.
Yeah.
SlideShare, Discord, HubPages, Mashable, BuzzFeed. We explored so many different platforms for free traffic.
We really did.
But if we had to boil it all down to one key takeaway, it's almost like we've got like this treasure map now.
Yeah.
But each platform, it's like you need different skills to navigate it,
Oh, totally. And just like with a real treasure map, the real reward, it's in the journey.
Ooh, I like that.
Remember how we were talking about building those genuine connections?
Yeah.
Providing real value? I mean, that's how you turn those random visitors into, like, diehard fans.
Totally. Because at the end of the day, people, they want to connect with other people, right?
Exactly.
Not just some faceless brand or some algorithm.
Yeah, it's all about building that trust, fostering those relationships.
Yes.
That's how you really see growth in the long run.
Okay, so as we wrap up our deep dive here into the world of free website traffic, I want to leave you with this. We've uncovered 6 amazing platforms, each one with its own unique strengths and potential. Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
What platform really stood out to you?
Yeah, and don't just, let it be some fleeting thought.
Right.
What's one tiny thing, one baby step that you can take this week to start exploring it for your business?
Love that.
Maybe it's just creating that SlideShare account.
Good.
Uploading your first presentation.
Yeah.
Or jumping into a Discord community that seems relevant to what you do.
Yes.
Just introduce yourself.
Just say hi.
Exactly.
Because remember those baby steps.
Yeah.
Done consistently. They can lead to massive results.
They really can.
So dive in, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun.
Yes. Have fun with it.
Have fun connecting with your audience in new and exciting ways.
Until next time.